Hey, you're not singing, Bea. We want to hear you sing. Yeah.
One more with us.
Let's go, Bea.
Alam niyo?
Ilang points pa to? Ayoko na.
Do we accept? Do we accept?
They did not say dancing well.
Kat, do you want to dance?
Wait. Do we get to steal? O, tayong dalawa. Halika dito. Is it a steal if I dance? I get the point if I dance. Dancing well. If I dance, we win. No, I danced it, just not very well.
Guys, nakakatakot naman yung sinisigawan ako ni Bea, di ka? Anton, will we?
Alright, so I was just told that that will do. So Pretty Blind will get me. But then, we didn't really hear you, so...